Well, things are shaping up to be a beautiful end to the week following some rain showers we've seen over the past couple of days. But as we get that live look outside, plenty of sunshine, few passing clouds, temperatures though still about 71. Dew points though really not that bad in the low 60s. So definitely going to look more beautiful as we head through the weekend, but the past few days definitely has been some much needed rain, where we were an inch below average rainfall. Now we're just a little over a quarter of an inch below, but definitely starting to get back to where we should be. Now, the good news is while we did catch up a little bit, next couple of days though, and even the next couple of weeks is actually looking like we're going to be back to that dry pattern. So Climate Prediction Center at the Central Plains actually above average rainfall, but right through the Mississippi, Tennessee Valley and here in the Ohio Valley, likely looks like we're going to be dry the next really couple weeks. Even through the rest of the weekend and into next week, look at really just dry, not a drop of rain until we get to Tuesday, Wednesday. Both those chances at this time are relatively low, just depends on what we see happen and develops with the tropics. So, of course, we got multiple rounds of activity across the tropics. We got the hurricane Humberto as well as Imelda that's now going to start to develop. So not anything just quite yet, but notice over the next couple of days, we'll see the hurricanes start to move more so across the Atlantic, and even Imelda gives an 80% chance over the next 2 days. Even over the next week gives that a 90% chance of developing into at least a tropical storm. But what that means for us here is at least while we end the week and go through the weekend with high pressure, notice by the time we get towards Monday, we start to see that low pressure try to move into the Carolinas. Even notice that it does try to move a little bit inland into Tennessee, even possibly into Kentucky by the time we get to Wednesday. So this could return some rain chances. We'll need this high pressure to move a little bit further west and north, and if it continues on the trend that it's at, good chance we'll see the return of some rain Tuesday and Wednesday. But at least the rest of the day today, rain-free, plenty of sunshine. Temperatures likely max out in the upper 70s. Then we slowly decrease back into the low 60s overnight tonight. So going to feel a little bit chilly first thing in the morning. So if you're heading out the door first thing tomorrow morning, even really through lunchtime, might need a light jacket or a sweatshirt, since we will see temperatures first thing in the morning like in the low 50s, upper 50s, and then slowly warming up through the 70s through the rest of the day tomorrow and even the next couple of days. Pretty much just copy and paste. You just notice the temperatures warm up a few degrees as we head through Saturday, Sunday. Even into Monday, we'll be in the low 80s. Just can't 100% rule out that stray shower Tuesday and Wednesday if we can see that tropical activity start to build up. Even seeing those temperatures slowly dropping through the 70s back into the mid to low 70s by the time we get to Thursday.